He thinks I'm going to go out there and swing him. He's got another think coming. Can you jump? Jump! Whee! Jump! Jump! Jump in the water! You ready to get dry? Are you ready to get dried off? Jump and jump. Jump. Jump and jump. Oh, look at that big boy jump. Oh, jump and jump. Jump and jump. Don't go too far. That's a good boy. Jump and jump. Come on, let's go in the house. Come on, let's go in the house. Yeah, let's go in the house. Jump. Come on, let's get a towel. Let's get dry. Come on, Bunny. Let's go in the house. Come here. Come on, Grammy's going in the house. Come on. Let's go in the house. Let's go in the house. That's a big boy. That's a big boy. Yeah, we'll get all nice and dry. You want me to close the door, huh? Is it closing? Come here. Want me to get you dry? Look, Grammy's got a towel. Come here. Come here. Let's get you dry and warm. Come here, Bunny. Come here. Look here. Here. Get good and dry. There we go. There we go. Oh, good and dry. Yeah. Yeah. No, don't go down there with your towel, Katie. Come on, Bunny. Come on. Come on. Let's get good and dry. Let's get good and dry and get warm. Yeah. Let's get good and dry. There we go. Ooh. Nice and warm. Ooh. Did you like that rain? Did you like that rain? Your Christopher used to like that rain too. Yeah, it's not raining anymore. Just itty bitty bitty bit. Yeah. Just a itty bitty bitty bit.